Controller drift can be a frustrating issue while playing EAFC 25. Here is a simple guide to help you enable or adjust settings to minimize this problem. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in EAFC 25. Look for the controller settings option to see if there are any adjustments you can make related to sensitivity or dead zones. Step 2. Adjust dead zones. In the controller settings, find the dead zone settings. Increase the dead zone for the analog sticks to help reduce the impact of drift by allowing a small amount of movement without registering input. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure your controller firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or app for any updates that might improve performance and reduce drift issues. Step 4. Clean the controller. Physically inspect and clean your controller. Dust and debris can cause drift, so use a soft cloth or some compressed air to clean around the analog sticks. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making adjustments, test your controller in-game. Play a few matches to see if the drift issue persists. If necessary, go back to the settings and make further adjustments until you find a comfortable setup. By following these steps, you should be able to manage controller drift effectively while playing EAFC 25. Enjoy your gaming experience.